Happy fall, y'all. Welcome to Orofino, Idaho. It's beautiful outside and the leaves are starting to pop. I would love to show you our new listing here at 225 F Street, Orofino, Idaho. I'm Tammy Carey, United Country Steelhead Realty, and let's go take a look. What I love most about this lovely brick home is this glass block entryway with the slate floors, and it just opens you right up into this spacious living room. There's a lot of different angles to place furniture, focusing on this lovely fireplace. The hearth is the same slate that's on the ground or on the floor, the entryway when you come in, and it just, if you like to decorate, this is an area you will most definitely like. Let's go take a look at the bedroom on the main floor here, and you pass a bathroom. The bathroom is a jetted tub with glass block, very bright, and it's just real conveniently located right off this bedroom. From this living room, let's walk into the kitchen and see what it has to offer. Lots of storage. It's just a full wall of cabinets and pop-outs, very bright and light. The windows are just really giving you mountain views of this timbered valley here in Orofino, Idaho. Now from the dining room, we're gonna just flow right through to the second bedroom on the main floor. It is spacious and bright. It has built-in dressers in all the closets with mirrors. And then it conveniently goes into a bathroom that has a real unique shower. So if you have to sit down and wash your feet, or you have a dog or anything, it's really convenient and uniquely tiled in. So let's take a look downstairs. Down here in the basement is this large bonus room, and it has cedar-lined closets and ample storage throughout. I love the built-in drawers. You know, they just don't make them like this anymore. And the storage underneath the staircase is huge. I mean, I'm sure it would be a kid's sport if it wasn't stuffed full. But my favorite part is this lovely wooded office built with file cabinets built in, lots of shelving in it. But my favorite part in this lovely wood room is this built-in safe. It's actually cemented right into the foundation, and it's just a little hidden gem. This door will close, so you don't even know it's there. So let's flow through to the laundry room. This is a huge laundry room, and it's actually like a dual-purpose handyman room, or for the lady that has a lot of hobbies, you have ample storage throughout. So this right here is the utility room, and all your furnaces and hot water tanks are all easily accessible and very well maintained. Then you have this lovely little half bath, so you don't even have to go back upstairs when you get into your project. Most definitely, this is a space that can be well utilized for anybody's different hobby. So let's go take a look outside. If you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, be sure to do so. It's updated and we have a lot of new inventory that comes on it. We're the only brokerage in the area that offers this type of service to our customers. So be sure to take a look, and if you're interested, we'd be more than happy to market your property. Let's take a look at the backyard and the alley of this home. So you have ample parking here, an attached carport, a single car garage, and it's just like another extension of this home going street to street. The views here of the mountains and the birds are nice. You're walking distance to the post office and downtown. It's a convenient location, really close to the grade school. So if you're looking for a nice family location, or just if you're a retiree and want to just feel safe, this is a nice place. Give me a call if you'd like to take a look, and I'll give you a personal tour.